Making these sausage and pineapple salsa tacos is super easy, and in a couple of minutes, dinner is ready. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up some of this fresh pineapple that I have right here to make my pineapple salsa. Now, I'm using fresh pineapple, but you can use frozen pineapple too that you've thawed out. In a pinch, canned will work too. I'm just gonna add some fresh pico de gallo to make this recipe ultra fast. In the skillet, I have some breakfast sausage heating up. Now, you can use sausage right out of the casing or sausage patties, even links. Really, whatever you have around. Here, I have some spinach that I've coarsely chopped up. I'm just gonna heat up my flour tortillas a little, which you can heat up in the microwave, the oven, or stovetop. You know what would be awesome? A fried egg right on top. Yep. When in doubt, I like to add a fried egg. Let's crack a few. And now we just assemble. Let me make a bed of the spinach right on my tortillas. Then I'm gonna top it with some of the pineapple salsa, some of this sausage right over the top, and the grand finale, the fried egg and a little cilantro. This is gonna be epic. Let's dig in. Oh man, I just love how like the yolk blends everything in, the crispiness from the sausage, the sweetness from the pineapple. Simply incredible. The recipe and the links are right below this video, and if you love tacos, check out the other tacos in this Taco Tuesday video series, and click on the red subscribe button. A new delicious taco recipe awaits every week.